Barcelona is a city that holds countless wonders, many of which are known only to the locals or adventurous travelers who dare to wander off the beaten path. Whether you're a first-time visitor or someone who thinks they've seen it all, these hidden gems will show you a side of Barcelona that's both surprising and unforgettable. Here's a countdown of 10 must-see destinations that will leave you captivated by the city's charm. Number 10. Besòs River Park, where urban art meets nature. Starting our list at number 10, Besòs River Park is transforming into one of the most exciting spots in Barcelona. Spanning 18 kilometers along the Besòs River, this park is quickly becoming one of Europe's largest urban art museums. Artists from around the world have come together to turn this space into a vibrant open-air gallery filled with colorful murals and graffiti. Imagine cycling through the park, with nature on one side and stunning street art on the other. This place is a perfect blend of the natural and the creative, offering a unique and constantly evolving experience. Plus, it's a great spot for a leisurely picnic or an afternoon stroll, where you can soak up both the sun and the art in one go. Number 9. La Rambla del Ravel, the hipster's haven. At number 9, we have La Rambla del Ravel, a cool alternative to the overcrowded La Rambla. This area is a melting pot of cultures, offering a glimpse into the true diversity of Barcelona. Unlike its more famous cousin, La Rambla del Ravel is where you'll find eclectic cafés, street art, and a vibe that's distinctly local. The giant cat sculpture by Fernando Botero, which dominates the plaza, is both quirky and iconic, making it a must-see for those looking to capture a different side of the city. Whether you're in the mood for some people watching, trying out a new cuisine, or just want to experience the local flavor, this Rambla offers a refreshing offbeat experience that contrasts with the tourist-heavy areas of Barcelona. Number 8. Palau de la Música Catalana, a feast for the senses. Coming in at number 8, Palau de la Música Catalana is more than just a concert hall. It's a visual and auditory masterpiece. Designed by Luis Domènech I. Montaner, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its stunning stained glass ceiling and over-the-top interior decorations. Attending a concert here is like being part of a living work of art, surrounded by vibrant mosaics, intricate sculptures, and elaborate ironwork. Even if classical music isn't your thing, the architecture alone is worth the visit. The atmosphere is so immersive that you might find yourself forgetting the outside world entirely. And if you're lucky enough to catch a performance, you'll understand why this venue is considered one of the jewels of Catalan modernism. Number 7. The Picasso Museum, an artist's evolution. At number 7, we delve into the life and works of Pablo Picasso at the Picasso Museum, nestled in the Gothic Quarter. While the museum is a popular attraction, many visitors are unaware of its depth and the insights it offers into Picasso's formative years. The museum is housed in 5 adjoining medieval palaces, each one adding to the historical ambience as you explore Picasso's early sketches, Blue Period masterpieces, and lesser-known works. The museum setting is as captivating as the art itself, offering a serene escape from the bustling streets of Barcelona. Whether you're an art aficionado or just curious about Picasso's journey, this museum provides a profound understanding of the artist's development and his deep connection to the city. Number 6. Ceme de Mau, a reflective journey through history. Ranked 6th on our list is the Ceme de Mau, a destination that might seem unusual but is undeniably intriguing. This cemetery, located on the slopes of Montjuïc, offers more than just a resting place for the dead. It's a historical archive in itself, with tombs and mausoleums that tell the stories of Barcelona's past. The elaborate sculptures and monuments here make it feel more like an open-air museum. Walking through its winding paths, you'll encounter memorials dedicated to Catalan martyrs, victims of the Spanish Civil War, and even a Holocaust memorial. Number 5. Tor Bisgard, Gaudi's hidden castle. Breaking into the top 5, Tor Bisgard is one of Gaudi's lesser-known masterpieces, often overshadowed by his more famous works. This castle-like structure, built on the ruins of a medieval castle, is a fascinating blend of Gothic and modernist styles. Situated on the slopes of the Collserola mountain range, it offers stunning views of the city below. Tor Bisgard is still privately owned, making it a rare gem for those lucky enough to get a tour. The building's design reflects Gaudi's deep appreciation for history and nature, with elements that echo the medieval past of the site. Number 4. Pobla Espanyol, a miniature Spain. At number 4, Pobla Espanyol is a destination that offers a taste of Spain's diverse architectural and cultural heritage, all in one place. This open-air museum, located on Montjuic Hill, is a collection of replicas of buildings from different regions of Spain. It's like a mini Spain, where you can wander through Andalusian courtyards, Galician stone houses, and Castilian plazas, all without leaving Barcelona. The village also hosts artisan shops, where you can see traditional crafts being made, and live performances that bring the space to life. Whether you're sipping on sangria in a quaint square or shopping for handmade souvenirs, Pobla Espanyol offers an immersive cultural experience that's both educational and entertaining. Number 3. Hospital de Sant Pau, a palace of healing. Taking the third spot is Hospital de Sant Pau, a place where architecture meets medicine in the most spectacular way. Designed by the great Louis Dominic I. Montaner, this hospital is a testament to the idea that healing environments should be beautiful and uplifting. The hospital's design incorporates therapeutic gardens, airy wards, and vibrant mosaics, creating a space that feels more like a palace than a medical facility. Though it's still a functioning hospital, many of its pavilions have been restored and are open to the public for tours. The experience of walking through its grand halls, surrounded by light and color, is unlike any other. It's a place where history, art, and healthcare converge in the most beautiful way possible. Number 2. Casa Vido, Gaudi's first, and often overlooked, masterpiece. Coming in at number 2 is Casa Vido, the first house designed by Antoni Gaudi, and a masterpiece that's often overlooked by visitors. Located in the Grècia neighborhood, this building is a riot of colors and patterns, reflecting Gaudi's early experimentation with Oriental and neoclassical styles. The house, which was recently opened to the public, is a stunning example of Gaudi's genius. It's smaller and more intimate than his later works, but no less impressive. The intricate details, from the wrought ironwork to the vibrant tiles, make Casa Vido a feast for the eyes. It's a must-see for anyone interested in the origins of Gaudi's unique architectural style and a beautiful introduction to his world. Number 1. Bunkers del Carmel, the best view in Barcelona. And finally, the number 1 spot on our list goes to the Bunkers del Carmel. If you haven't been here, you're missing out on what is arguably the best view in all of Barcelona. These bunkers, remnants of the Spanish Civil War, offer a 360-degree view of the city that's simply unbeatable. Perched high above the city, the bunkers provide a panoramic vista that stretches from the mountains to the sea, encompassing all of Barcelona's most iconic landmarks. It's a favorite spot among locals, especially at sunrise and sunset when the city is bathed in a soft, golden light. The sense of history combined with the stunning scenery makes the Bunkers del Carmel a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the true beauty of Barcelona. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 must-see spots in Barcelona that you probably didn't know about. If these hidden gems have sparked your wanderlust, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel secrets and adventures. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous.